and today I want to sing with you Slippery Fish. Do you remember Slippery Fish from Storytime? If not, that's okay. Slippery Fish is one of my favorite songs. It's written by Charlotte Diamond. I personally got this song from one of my favorite YouTube channels called Library, and they do all sorts of children's songs that I have used in Storytime. And so if you visit their channel, you'll probably see a lot more songs that are familiar to you and your kids. But anyways, I'm gonna do this song with some American Sign Language. Okay, so we're gonna do fish, and then we're gonna do an octopus, and there's gonna be a shark and a whale. Okay, we're also gonna be using words like water and eating, okay? And one of the other really awesome parts about this song is that there are so many really cool verbs that we don't tend to use in our everyday lives. Like the fish will be sliding, and the octopus will be squiggling, and the tuna fish will be flashing, and the shark will be lurking, and the whale will be spouting, right? How awesome are those action words, right? We don't always use those words in real life. So I challenge you to find ways to add those words to your everyday life. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, it goes like this. Slippery fish, slippery fish, sliding in the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling in the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by a tuna fish, flashing in the water. A tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking in the water. A great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Burp. What do we say when we burp?